Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating the Mercury 25. Today is May 13th. We'll get it started here. I've got it mixed really oil heavy. This is a mix that I use for motors that haven't been running a while. Let's advance the throttle a little bit. Bring it down to idle. As you can see, it is peeing a bit when you advance the throttle. A little bit more because of the thermostat. I'll be putting it forward. Controls nice. And reverse. Back to neutral. We'll just let it sit here and idle a bit. Nice little motor. It's electric start. It also has a pull start. Seems to run fantastic.